Hi guys, welcome to Toby's World. So I have something to show you. Tada! It's a red hotel! And I make this. That's why I'm a red hotel boss. I'm a natural red hotel boss. Perfect. You want I'm going to check something with you? Okay, that's great! See? I told you it's nice, number one. This is a campfire. See? That is going with on a chimney. This is the button. This red thing. This is a button so that you can get this. Number 2, we have a dining table. Number 3, we have a kitchen. Number 4, we have a TV. Number 5, we have a lot of rooms. Number 6, we have an elevator. Number 7, we have a basketball court. Number 8, we have a second floor. Did you see it? See, it's so nice here. When you lay down, it's so nice to sleep. See, look. See, it's so nice. Okay, let's go and check. There, I'm the one who cooked here. Whoa. Wow, those are a lot of food. Huh? Cannot open this. I think this. Hey. Whoa. Can I even do it? What? We have a lot of oven. But how can I cook? I think using this. Uh-oh. What is that? It's okay if it's like that. Toby is going to sleep. That's a quite nice dream. Good morning. I'm too early to wake up. That's why I'm in a red hotel. I'm in my own red hotel. Look at me. I'm a red hotel boss. Look at this. Look at this. Where are the elevators? Look, these. I'm going to show you something. It's so happy. Look at this. It's a red hotel. Okay. So I'm actually going to sleep first. So I'm going to lock this up first. My room is here, right? I think it's here, yeah. Hey, I cannot properly sleep. Night. Toby is going to sleep. What a nice sleep. Whoa, it's morning now. Wow, it's a nice day. Wait, it's 6:55 a.m. It is Tuesday. It's time to go take a walk. Wow. Look at this. That is so morning. Wow, this is a city now. Look outside here. It's morning. Night until morning is fun. Yay, I meant to be like that. Bye guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye guys. See you next time.